This is 1103 Stewart Avenue. A hydraulic. See if these are any noisy. Let's see. That was a big jolt there. Whatever that's for. No cameras. Nice elevator. I don't know what's with the pads. I guess these are the only elevators here because of those things on the side. Mounted those to prevent damage. Your buttons. Oh, sounds like somebody called it. Oh, going up. There you go. You're welcome. Oh, it's here. Odd door track there. Non-ADA phone on this one. Otis is maintaining. I like the chimes. This one's a lot worse. Okay. It's a nice system. There it goes, and that's it.